guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm upstairs. I'm standing at the window because people are setting off the fireworks now. So yeah, I've got some pictures of them up in the air. They're kind of just ending up in the air though. But this is going to be Sunday's vlog. So it is Friday. I was waiting for Friday to film. I also have my nails done. They're lovely. Sorry, I'm just like... Yes, I'm waiting for the fireworks to go. Might have to go into the garden. The wee doggy's being fine for now. Still going off. Let's see, they're still going off. You want to come up and see? Come here. Come here, Lucy. She ain't interested. If you don't know, Lucy is my dog. Can't see. I'll turn the light on for this reason. Whoops. Whoops. So yeah. Wait. I can't do it. Such pretty colours. I'm just gonna take the pictures of the fireworks and then put them in the vlog just to create this really pretty vlog of. So bye.